Question number 11 is a rhetoric question on sentence function, and I read this paragraph on the first time, and I didn't really see any problems to fix. It's a great paragraph. At this point, the writer is considering adding the following sentence. Well, my initial reaction would be, well, we don't really need it. Well, I was open. I was like, well, okay, let's see if the sentence is going to fit. I don't think we're going to need anything. But what is the sentence? When it was painted in 1932, Siqueiros' mural was considered offensive, but now it is acclaimed. Context, providing historical context. The only possible historical context it could provide is the year 1932. But just because it gives you a year doesn't mean it gives you context. So A is not the answer. You don't need it to say 1932. That's really not the focus of the sentence anyway. The function of this sentence is to talk about the transition between offensive to acclaimed, and we don't really need that. It's unnecessary. The whole first couple of paragraphs talks about how it was offensive, but now by the end it's acclaimed. It's unnecessarily repeating the information. It's summing up the entire. It's summing up things that have already been said. It agrees with the information. You can't say that it's not supported. In fact, it does support this sentence. This could be like a topic sentence, a main idea sentence you put at the very beginning of your work, of your writing, but you don't stick it at the very end. We already understand all this information, and if you've read the paragraphs, then you agree with this. So that's why D is not true. This supports the entire writing. It does, and we don't need to be reminded of how people once viewed Siqueiros' work. It's when you're a reader, when you're writing these things, then you can assume that the reader remembers what you said at the beginning. We don't need to be reminded about that. So C is the answer.